Hi everyone, we're continuing the journey into what's left over of the salmon once your fillets have come off it. And today we've got half a head and these pieces here, which are the spine, the bones coming vertically up above it and below it, and then that wonderful meat either side of that spine as it sits right up against the bone. Now today we're going to hot smoke these pieces. Hot smoking is a really old, very simple cooking method. There's lots of different ways to do it. You can cure it, you can brine it. Today we're doing the easiest and quickest of them all, which is a simple mix of brown sugar and salt and soy sauce. And today we are using the tamari soy sauce. It's got its own inbuilt flavor that adds just a little bit of depth to this recipe, and it's absolutely fantastic. In just a second we're going to make a quick marinade, give that a sit for 5 seconds, and then we're going to put them in the hot smoker. Now as you can see, that mess is burning. We've got our wood chip in the bottom. We're going to put that smoker on top of the burner, and that's going to sit for a couple of minutes. In just a few moments that smoke's going to start coming off and it'll be rich and warm. The fish is going to go on top, lid goes on, and it's just going to cook in there. Okay, so we've knocked our marinade together. Like I said, it's just brown sugar, salt, and today the tamari soy sauce for that extra flavor. And it's as easy as this. It's more of a paste than a marinade. So a quick rub into the flesh, and as you can see, it really wants to coat like a thick paint. All you got to do is rinse and repeat for the pieces of fish and pop them in the smoker. And it's as easy as this. We've rubbed that paste into the fish, so those are our pieces and that's our head. And all we're going to do is place them on the rack in the smoker. Now as you can see, oh lovely, that is firing up, rich smoke billowing out, and that's going to impart a wonderful flavor to cut through some of that fattiness and the richness of the fish. Wow. And we're going to lay this one skin side down. And it's as easy as that. We're going to give them maybe 10 minutes. That should probably do the job. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and it's time to check. Hopefully these will be golden brown and rich and coloured on the outside and cooked all the way through to the bone. Here we go. Oh, that is textbook perfect. As you can see, that marinade has formed a crust. There's a little bit of sticky on the outside. That's rendered fat and fish juice combining with that marinade to form a wonderful barrier of flavour that is cooked all the way through to the bones. That is how you hot smoke salmon offcuts to perfection.